Hey guys, it's been long. I know I've been MIA for like 2 or 3 months now, but your girl is back with the videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look right here. It's a sunset inspired look. I actually like how this came out. I did this one before on myself and I didn't really like it, but I don't know. I blended to the gods today and this is what I came up with. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So we're going to start today by priming our lids. Of course, really important step if you want to get that good pigment on there. You're going to start off with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer or whatever concealer or even eye primer you like. You don't have to do this step, but I do like priming my eyes with concealer. So as you can see, I was cleaning up my eyebrows as well with concealer, and this is a very good way to make them nice and sharp. So then I'm going to go ahead and set my base with this RCMA translucent powder and take my Morphe M441 brush and go ahead and start using that transition shade. And I'm going to pick up the shade Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette and start applying that to my crease. I forgot to do this before applying my transition shade, but I'm going to grab this tape and apply it to my eye to keep things nice and sharp and keep blending. And then I'm going to grab this MAC eyeshadow. It's a yellow electric kind of shadow. I don't know the name of it, but I'm going to grab that same brush and apply it right over that transition shade and just start building up that yellow. Grabbing my Morphe E17 brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Real Gar from the Modern Renaissance palette, and then I'm just going to start building that up into the crease. I'm going a little under that transition shade to create that nice blend. Just going to keep building and building and building until you get that nice orange shade you desire. And I'm also going to be going back in with my Morphe M441 brush with that yellow shade and just making sure I don't have any harsh lines there. And I'm just going to go back in with that orange with that E17 and just keep doing that and repeating that process until I get a nice blend. Now I'm just going to start carving out my crease with this small concealer brush. I'm going to start carving where I want that purple shade to go. So I'm going to do that, and I like kind of taking it slow on this part, just taking my time, making sure everything is nice and clean and crisp. So go ahead and do that, and make sure you're patting down the concealer as you go, just so it creates a smooth base. Once I have that all patted down and situated and smoothed out, I'm going to grab with the brush that came with the palette on the flat end. I'm going to pick up the shade Love Letter and just start packing that on my eyelid. Now taking my brush from Kylie Cosmetics, I'm going to go ahead and just blend out Love Letter and Real Gar to make sure it has a nice blend. And you want to make sure your brush is clean so you're not getting any extra product on your eye. just want to throw this out there just to make sure you guys know I did put on this purple shade from the Morphe 35B palette over Love Letter, but I put it very slightly over just to increase the intensity of the color. And I'll go ahead and put a little picture of it right there just so you guys can see what color I did use. After you've taken off your tape, go ahead and grab your favorite mascara and start building your lashes until they're nice and pretty. And for falsies today, we're going to be using the Vanity Box lashes in the style Swipe Right. These are new, they just came out with them and they're so great. I love them. They're probably like my favorite lashes right now. And as you can see now, I'm smoking on my under eye with the shade Love Letter from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using this small flat brush just to get under there nice and precise. And here we have the final look, the sunset eye, the purple, orange, yellow. Typical sunset we see in the sky and we all put it in our Snapchats. You know you've done it. I have too. But here it is. If you guys like it, go ahead and throw me a like. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Subscribe. I really appreciate that. And thank you guys so much for watching. For those who stuck through the end of this video, for those of you who came back after me being MIA for a while, thank you so much. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.